Hey y'all, so I share a lot about my reselling business here on my channel Murrayed Life. I make daily videos about it, and I have a few changes that are coming to my reselling business, and I want to go ahead and inform y'all because you're going to notice these changes on future videos. Some of these are immediate changes and I've actually already implemented them, and some of them are coming to the future, including one major change to my reselling business. I don't know if anyone saw it coming. Stay to the end for that one. But let's get into 5 changes that I'm making in my reselling business. Okay, number 1 is going to be my consistency when it comes to listing. I've been trying to list around 5 items a day. And long story short, I am no longer going to be giving myself a number. Basically, I'm going to be going off of however many I feel like posting that day, whether it's 0 or whether it's 20, that's what I'm going to be going with. I went about a week without listing anything, and I still made daily sales. So I know consistency when it comes to listing is super important. However, reselling is not my only income at this point. And I do not feel the pressure to list every single day a certain number of items. So that's something you may notice from me coming in the near future. I've kind of already started to implement it. I've been listing around maybe 4 items a day. I feel like 4 items a day is so doable, but I'm also going to give myself a lot of grace. If I don't feel like listing for 4 days, I'm just not going to do it. The second change coming from me is that I will be very, very selective when it comes to shoes. You guys know I hate cleaning shoes. I absolutely despise it. So a decision I've decided to make for me and my reselling business is I am only going to purchase shoes to resell if I'm crazy about them or if they have a super high crazy profit. Other than that, I am going to be getting rid of a lot of shoes in my inventory room. Shoes take up way too much space in my inventory room. They take up like half a wall, and I could use that wall for something better. I could probably put like an extra 6 bins of clothing there. I'd rather sell blouses than I would shoes personally. So that is something you're going to be seeing from me in future hauls, future probably what sold videos. I'm only going to list shoes I'm crazy about. Number 3 is going to be how I change the background of my photos. I have mentioned this in previous videos, previous vlogs. I kind of walk y'all through my listing process, and I used to use eBay's background remover. However, y'all know I cross-list with List Perfectly, and they actually added photo room. So if you are on the pro plan for List Perfectly, you now have photo room, so you can just put all your listings on List Perfectly, use the photo room background remover there, and then go ahead and cross-list your item to all your platforms. So for me, it's been a lot easier, and it's a little bit more accurate than eBay's background remover. So that is one change you'll also see from me whenever I'm doing like my vlogs where I show y'all me listing. You'll notice I'm not starting on eBay, I'm starting on List Perfectly. The 4th change is I'm going to be giving my inventory room a makeover. You guys know I have wood paneling in there. I don't have shelves in there. Well, I have shelves for like purses, shoes, things like that, but I don't have shelves for my bins. So I don't want to give a time like when to expect this makeover. I'm hoping by the new year I will have it completed. I'm going to paint the entire room white, and I'm going to get shelves all across the room. That way I can put the bins in there and get things off the floor, and maybe even move my desk in there. I would honestly like to have just one room dedicated to reselling. I think that would be really wonderful. So hopefully soon in the next couple months, you'll see like an inventory makeover room from me. Okay, the 5th thing, and the most major thing out of anything I've said today, is dun, 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 dun. I don't know if anyone's gonna see this coming. I actually almost let this slip in my assumptions video from yesterday, where at the very ending of the video I said, yeah, I'm a full-time reseller. I have an announcement. I am going part-time with reselling. Now, before everyone like freaks out, they're like, oh my God, no more hauls, no more this, no more. Listen, the reselling content is going to continue. I'm going to continue doing weekly thrift hauls. I'm going to be doing what sold videos still for y'all at least twice a month. I am going to still be putting out reselling content, but that's the whole purpose. I want to make more content and focus a little less on reselling. Reselling, I only want it to be about 20% of my income, if that. So I want to focus more on content creation, and yeah, so nothing's really going to change for y'all. You're still going to see a ton of thrift with me videos and all the fun content, but I'm just not going to be listing as much. I, on average, work about 20 hours a week, which is technically part-time hours anyway, but I'm hoping to cut it down to about 10 hours a week, that's including my sourcing time. So those are the 5 changes coming to my reselling business. Some of these are already there and implemented, and some of them are coming. I'm gonna have the inventory room makeover coming. I'm about to get rid of a bunch of shoes. That's coming. So let me know, which of these changes surprised you the most? Did you kind of see all these coming? Let me know in the comments. I like to keep y'all updated, so like whenever I make future videos, you're not like, what is she talking about? When did she give us that update? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all tomorrow for a new fun video. Actually, if you want, what did I title that video? Tomorrow's video I titled 5 controversial reseller opinions I have. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and I'll see y'all then. Bye.